What's up, my oh so beautiful people? We're here at this rental property that I'm checking out here in Rochester, New York. Just want to see what's out here. I own a few properties here already. Since I'm here visiting, getting inspection for the other properties and things like that, I actually wanted to show you a quick walkthrough, kind of some of the things I look at. We're going to make it light. Before we did this recording, we kind of walked through. Dev is going to show y'all some B-roll from what we were doing before. Shout out to Dev. Make sure y'all follow him. I'm going to leave his information in the bio. And we're going to just walk around real quick. I'm going to introduce y'all to my realtor. And then after that, I'm just going to talk and kind of like normally what I do when I walk around. I'm just going to freestyle. Like, hey, this is what I think about. This is kind of the thoughts that run through my mind. Yada, yada, etc., etc. All right, cool. Just going to walk through here. All right, so decent sized living room. When I'm thinking about like some of the units, I think a small family. Why? Because families are going to stay a little bit longer, right? The area that we're living in right now is not really in the city of Rochester. It's actually on the outskirts, but you got parks. We're like on a lake, so it's like near driving park and things like that. It's a nice neighborhood. So you have to consider that when you think about schools. You have to consider the unit when you think about families. You want a small family in here. You get a small family, the longer the tenants stay. And if you're being a good landlord, that too. All right, so that's the living room. This is kind of like bleeds into like the dining room area here. Newer windows. Kitchen area looks amazing, by the way. Like, the realtor told me, Drew, make sure y'all follow him. I'm gonna leave his information down there too, from Rochester. He's my realtor here. Make sure y'all show him some love. Go follow him. But the kitchen here, it looks very new. Looked like it's been remodeled recently. Got some really good cabinet space. When I think of cabinet space, I just think about being in the kitchen, right? I grew up one of 8, so my mom always needed cabinet space. It's always good to have different space and storage units in the kitchen so you can do more with it. All right. Then we got this kind of like hallway in the closet here. There's a basement. We went down there. The current owner has some cats. We ain't trying to mess with them cats, all right? We're gonna go upstairs here. So while I'm just walking through, I definitely want to introduce y'all to Drew. And if any of y'all are interested in some real estate here in Rochester, this is definitely check him out. I live in Portland, as we all know, so he's been my go-to guy here in Rochester. Literally going to different places, recording for me. And that's kind of how you got to do it when you're remote. So he just records videos for me, let me know the numbers, let me know how everything is. And then after he does that, we kind of discuss and whatever. So this is my first time meeting him and pretty much in person, but we've been working for like months now. So here's one of the bedrooms here. I'm gonna let y'all meet him soon. Nice size bedroom. I mean, clearly this is like a king size bed. So that gives enough space in here. Just imagine this cleaned out, how much space this can be. We're gonna go to the other bathroom. The bathroom here. So this is the bathroom. Nice shower. I really like the tile floors. This is really nice. Like, I would even consider putting this at my house. But I really like the tile floor. Easy to clean, easy to manage. We got the sink and stuff area here. I'm gonna let you shoot that. And again, very decent sized bathroom. I like the brightness of it. Drew was telling me, when you think about, single family, you gotta have a tub. Again, that's why it's good to have a professional on your team. So something that we're thinking about, the team is thinking about, like, hey, if we decide to get this unit, we're looking at another unit too. I'm gonna make sure we get that for you guys. But if we're looking at this unit, we have to consider those kind of things, right? Make sure you partner with a professional. All right, so this is another bedroom here. Again, very decent size, nice closet size. Always good to have a closet here. But yeah, again, I'm always looking for a unit, a duplex, a quad, whatever. I'm always looking for a place that has current tenants. I'm always looking for a place that's like, hey, how can I just come in as an out-of-state investor, take over the ownership, and just easily, just seamlessly transition the lease and everything like that, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at how I could just buy a property that already has cash flow in it, and I don't have to do that much. Now, when the tenant leaves and everything is cleared out, I can touch up some paint, I can touch up some floor stuff. I can add a few things, but I'm not trying to put a lot of money into the deal, especially when we know that people already lived here. All right, so. Oh, Dad, you gotta get this. You gotta get this note. So this is the attic here. Again, this is used as a bedroom right now, but just think about the different possibilities for it. It could be storage. It can be another bedroom, right? It actually has a bathroom in here as well. So that's pretty cool. Decent size. Goes all the way back there. Dad, actually take a few steps back to show them how deep it goes. So this is the bedroom right here. So yeah, as you can see, pretty deep, pretty wide. It's a really good space. All right, so we're gonna head all the way back downstairs. I want you guys to meet Drew, talk a little bit about that. All right, everybody, this is the first unit of the duplex. I just really wanted to show y'all this. And also, Drew, if you don't mind, just leaving the viewers some of your information, where they can find you, and just a little bit about yourself.
Drew Hannon, Instagram, Drew Hannon Homes, Facebook, Drew Hannon Homes. Check me out. I'm out here selling Rochester. Hooked up with Devin. Love dealing with out-of-state clients, even out-of-country clients. I'll go out, scout homes for you, make sure you get the best deal, best price, best investment. You know, I got your long-term wealth in mind. So hit me up.
There you go, y'all. I'm gonna leave this stuff in the description. We're gonna go over to the next unit now. Oh, I'm a vlogger now. Yee! Yo, what's up, everybody? Yeah, what's up, my oh so beautiful people? Nah, but we at the second unit now. That's Dev. Make sure y'all hire him. He travel and everything. We're gonna make sure we get Dev on the team. He gonna just shoot all my stuff from now on. That's my little brother right here, Zion. Yep, he taller than me, so don't worry about it. Zion, show the chain real quick. Yeesh. Wait, what you got on though?
Oh, I don't know.
Jeez. We had to take our shoes off at the door. But yeah, no, I'm on my blogger stuff right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna shoot a little bit and then I'm gonna give it back to Dev because it's kind of cool. So we're at the second unit right now. This one is more so like a lot of, you need to do like a lot of like touching up and stuff like that. I got my realtor here, Drew, of course, my one and only guy here in Rochester.
I don't want to stop you, but
there you go. Look.
Some water right here coming in.
See, that's my guy. You know. So we got water spillage. So again, this is like in a hood. I'm gonna just say it. It's in the hood. So you're gonna get this kind of properties that like you gotta do a lot of renovation to it. It's cheap, but you gotta do a lot of renovation work to it and everything. But the rooms are big. It's a nice size. But yeah. So I'm just gonna walk through real quick and let Dev kind of take over.
Where there's a leak coming from up.
We can pretty much go up to 100,000, 150. Let's look in that price range. I'm trying to count my lucky stars, and I'm like, let me see what, you know, what a 80K, 70K property look like.
Yep.
This is what it looks like.